Lawyers of Reddit. What's the dumbest thing you've had to explain to a client? 1. In my state we have this thing called victims' compensation. An oversimplification of how it works goes as follows. If you are the victim of a crime and suffer some form of injury, for example, psychological, physical, etc., you can apply for a payment from state funds. If you are the perpetrator of one of those crimes, for example, an assault, robbery, pedophilia, etc., an order can be made for you to pay the state back an amount relating to that victim's compensation. I had a client who felt the process of being convicted for assaulting his relatives, and having to pay victims' compensation back to the state was arduous, and in return, he should be receiving victims' compensation from the state. So, that was fun to explain. 2. I once had to explain to a client that he could, in fact, fire an employee for 1. Stealing significant sums of money from the safe, 2. Pulling a gun on a coworker who questioned these activities, and 3. Waving said gun in a customer's face moments later, all of which were on camera. 3. I once had to explain what a maiden name was. They had no idea.